Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 GMC Terrain Denali, stock number X724XX. Only 23,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Ebony Twilight metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler's exclusive limited lifetime powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Trailer hitch, power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, as you can see. This Denali has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power seat, along with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof, large, easy to read cruise control. That's also where you set the forward collision alert. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And then there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below. For radio. Heating and air conditioning with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Denali has a 3.6 liter V6, 301 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon and the city average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Terrain, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.